Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Rafat. Today we are going to discuss the second year Federal Board exercise 1.3, question number 4 of 3 parts here. Now see question number 4 of the fourth part, limit x tends to pi sin x divided by pi minus x. Here we are not supposed to apply the direct limit. If you have to apply the direct limit, then the denominator becomes 0. If the denominator becomes 0, that means we have to simplify the question before applying the limit here. So we have to put pi minus x, it is equals to theta. We have to put pi minus x, it is equals to theta. Then pi minus theta will be equal to x because we have to separate x here. So this is the value of x, that is pi minus theta. If we have to take out the limit x tends to pi, then theta becomes 0. So here the question we have to convert it in the form of theta here. So this is limit theta tends to 0, that is sin x, and what is x here? Pi minus theta, and divided by pi minus x, it is equals to theta. Here x, we have to consider x tends to pi, so when we have to put x equals to pi here, the theta becomes 0. That means when x tends to pi, then theta tends to 0. So we have to convert this question in the f of theta form there. Now here we have to apply sin alpha minus beta, limit theta tends to 0 sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. We have to apply the formula here, that is sin alpha minus beta, it is equals to sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. This formula we have to use in the numerator here. Now sin pi cos theta minus cos pi sin theta over theta, we have to apply the limit here, that is x. X, it is equals to pi minus theta. So here limit theta tends to 0, sin pi is 0, cos theta, cos pi is minus 1, that is sin theta over theta. Pi means 180, so cos 180, it is equals to minus 1, and this whole factor becomes 0. So therefore here limit theta tends to 0, this factor becomes 0, and this is minus minus plus. So limit, this is sin theta over theta, it becomes the sandwich theorem, and it is equals to 1. So this is the answer of this question. Now come to the next part here. Now come to the 10th part of question number 4 here. This is sec x minus cos x and x. So here we have to apply the limit x tends to 0. So we have to separate this x, 1 over x, and this is sec x means cos x. Now take out the LCM here. This is, we have to take out the LCM. 1 multiplied by 1, 1, cos multiplied by cos, cos square x. So here limit x tends to 0, 1 over x, 1 minus cos square x, it is equals to sin square x over cos x. Now we can write down here delta x tends to 0, this is 1 over x sin x into sin x, because we have to adjust it, and here this is limit x tends to 0 sin x over x into sin x over cos x. And now we have to write down the limit x tends to 0, that is sin x over cos x, into limit x tends to 0 sin over cos, that is tangent x. Now we have to apply the limit, and this becomes the sandwich theorem here, so it is equals to 1, and tangent x means tangent 0, and tangent 0 means the result is 0, the whole result is 0, so the limit of this function is 0. Now come to the next part here. Now come to the 12th part of the same exercise, same question here. This is tangent theta minus sin theta over sin cube theta. So here sin cube theta, we have to separate this like this here, 1 over sin cube theta, and this is tangent theta minus sin theta. Now we have to break tangent theta, that is equals to sin theta over cos theta minus sin theta. So just we have to take out the LCM here. There is no denominator, means we have a 1 here. So this is limit theta tends to 0 1 over sin cube theta, and just take out the LCM here, and this is sin theta and sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So take out LCM here, sin theta, limit theta tends to 0 1 over sin cube theta, take out common here, that is 1 minus cos theta whole divided by cos theta. So this is this sin theta, one factor will cancel out to this, so it becomes sin square theta. Limit x theta tends to 0, now it is sin square theta, and this is 1 minus cos theta over cos theta. We know that, now we can write down in one bracket here, this is 1 minus cos theta remains same, and this is sin square theta. Sin square theta, it is equals to 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta. Sin square theta, it is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So here it becomes a square minus b square formula, which is equals to 1 time positive and 1 time negative here. So this is limit theta tends to 0 1 minus cos theta over 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta into cos theta. So this factor will cancel out to this factor, that is 1 minus cos theta in the numerator, and in the denominator they will cancel out to each other. So this is limit theta tends to 0 1 over 1 plus cos theta into cos theta. Now we have to apply the limit theta tends to 0, so that is equals to 1 plus cos theta means 0, cos theta means 0, and here we know that cos, now here this is cos 0 means 1, it is equals to 1 plus 1, and cos 0 is 1. So this is the answer of this question. Dear students, we have discussed three parts of exercise 1.3 of question number 1. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.